Hey guys, this is a first look of Huawei Honor 7C. This phone is launched today at event in China. This phone features some amazing specs, with reasonable price tag. Honor 7C has a 5.99-inch, 1440 by 720 display, with 18 by 9 aspect ratio, and also have 2.5D curved glass on top. There is a Snapdragon 450 chipset inside, and this is supported by 3GB and 4GB of RAM. And has 64GB internal storage, which can be expanded by a microSD card slot, and have dual SIM as standard. As for camera, it features a dual camera setup at back. The rear camera setup consists of a 13-megapixel main unit, and a depth sensing has 2-megapixel secondary sensor. The front-facing camera is an 8-megapixel shooter. As for the software, it is running on MIUI 8.0, with Android 8.0 Oreo. The most important feature of this phone is the facial recognition feature. It worked flawless in my initial testing. It also has 3000 mAh battery, which support fast charging. The Honor 7C comes in black, red, gold, and blue colors. It is priced at $899 $142 for the 3GB RAM, with 32GB storage version, and the 4GB RAM with 64GB version, which costs $1,299. It is now available for order, and will go on sale in China starting from March 13th. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.